Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a surprise happy mail.
Yeah, and it is a surprise.
From Yvette the Card Girl. I will have all her link below. She had hit me up and told me she was going to be sending me something before I went to Florida, and I wasn't able to get everything before I left, so I was able to make it back this week and go. And thank God, because my postal man put a note saying he was going to send it back, so I made it just in time. But anyway, she just wanted to do something sweet, just random, and I really appreciate Yvette. Check out her channel, her Instagram. Like I said, it's Yvette the Card Girl, and on the Instagram she is the Card Girls AZ. So she had went shopping. She did some haul. She's such a great card maker and mini book album maker as well. And she had saw this paper, and she sent it. Ooh, we got some extra stuff in here too. And she sent it, told me she was going to send it to me. So I was excited to see. So first, let me show you the block of paper. So this is the Shimmer Glitter Girl, which I know you guys have seen before, but I thought was so cool was the project pad. And so this was, and I think Joann's was selling these as well too. So of course, this was $6.99. In case you're interested, it came from Tuesday morning. It was 211-58828. In case you're looking for it. And I remember the goodies had been circulating for a while. So these are just some of the cardstock in the back that you can use. It's the textured linen kind. And here's the paper, and that's got the glittered fold kind of thing with the clouds and some glitter paper. So you got some dimension and cut aparts and stuff like this, so you can feel the little paint blurbs. So I'm so glad that it was still there, because I'd have been so upset that they had sent this back. I'd have been so mad. So, and they got sticker sets right there as well. So this is a project pad, so which is pretty cool. So you can make projects out of it, all the stuff that you need to go with it. She sent me some extra pieces. So this is great, because I love to do cut apart, so I can cut this apart. Got some borders and some strips. And it's double-sided. And look at these. Oh, these, I hadn't seen this one at all. But a Girl Squad, I had the Girl Squad paper, so that is so cool. But I hadn't seen this sheet. Love that. And that's double-sided as well. And the Good Vibes, which I have that paper, and I hadn't seen that one at my Tuesday morning. So yay, thank you for all those extra pieces. I can use all of that because I have all of those paper pads. And then let's see what else we got. Oh, pretty. Ah, Jean Hatfield, I got her too. I don't think I have that paper pad though, homemade. Well, I take it back, I do. That's with the girl in it. That is so pretty. Look at that. You know what? My blinds are open. You probably can't see them. Where'd that go for? I hope you were able to see what I've been showing. And let's see, and we have the 6x6 paper pad, and the number for that one is 211-5830. And again, so I'll have all the coordinating papers to make cards, ATCs, scrapbook layouts, all the good yummies. I just saw my card. And so we also have in here, so she just hooked me all the way up. So I have the ephemera pack. These are the holographic ones right here. And it's 211-5851 if you're looking for it. And then you also have some paper ephemera, and there's the girl right there too. So you can kind of see on the back what you have in that set. I'm sorry about the lighting, y'all. And then we have these glitter shaker ones. So, and that's 211-5840. So you got hello. It says, may all your dreams come true. You're super. Think happy. So you got some fun puffy glitter ones. So that's going to be really cool to add on. Then we got our sticker pack right here for 211-5843. So you see the pretty girl, the ice cream. Today is the best day ever. So I'm going to challenge myself to make some projects with this. And then this one is the sticker and the washi book. So 342 pieces. So this has got some holographic ones on it too as well. And that number is 211-5842. You got the alphas. So really all the embellishments, everything that you need to go right along with it. And then she sent me a nice card, says thank you. A little stuck, hold on. There we go. Oh, too cute. It says thank you. Oh, I love that with the feathers in the hair. Where did you find that stamp? Okay, I'm with sidebar. I'm a little nerd, but my first acting debut when I was, I think I was 7 or 8. I actually got posted in the newspaper playing Pocahontas, so I love that. Oh my goodness, that's so cute. I love that stamp. This is such a beautiful card. I love the work you did in the background. See, I told you guys, she can make beautiful cards. Let's see. Oh, she said, thank you for being part of my journey. Oh, please accept this gift as a small token of my gratitude. Thank you for being such a great soul. In a world these days when there's so many, yep, and for themselves and that's much. Thank you so much. Oh, I'm glad I put you out your comfort zone to start your channel. I'm so proud of you, and you are so talented. I mean talented, and you've picked up on mastering the camera, everything. Awesome, awesome. So please go check out, tell her I sent you, and I love her channel, and just give her some love and support. So thank you so much, Yvette. Oh, you have made my day. This was so sweet and so kind of you. I really love everything, and I can use everything. So thank you, Yvette. So you, again, y'all check out Yvette the Card Girl, and again on the IG she is the Card Girl at AZ. So all right, take care, God bless, love you, bye bye.